Hi, my name is Kevin E. Regan, and I'm an acrylic painter, and I'm also an intellectual property attorney. I took a class at Seattle Central College called Marketing Your Art with Professor Georgetta Gankars. My educational background is actually in environmental science and in law, so there's still a lot of things I'm learning about the art world. I took the course because it covers fundamentals such as how to prepare your artist statement and your CV, and how to develop the skill set to research and apply for opportunities such as grants and residencies. My favorite part of taking the class was the opportunity to learn from Professor Gankars. She's quite an accomplished painter in her own right, and she's got a lot of great international experience from her involvement in programs such as Painting on Location International. One of the things that she really impressed upon me is that it's a different skill set when you're in the studio creating from out there interacting with the rest of the world, trying to market and sell your art. I really learned that there's a lot of competition out there and there's bound to be rejection, and Professor Gankars helped me realize that what you need to do is dust yourself off and get back out there. Since the course, I've been able to apply for a number of opportunities. Most recently, I applied for an opportunity here in Seattle called the Storefronts Program, which is run by an organization called Shunpike. It gives artists the opportunity to exhibit their artwork in storefronts, including some that are vacant because of the COVID pandemic. I also applied to some opportunities at private galleries, such as an open call from Beers Gallery in London. The course is great because it forces you to go through that writing process, and when it comes time to apply to real opportunities, there's already drafts ready that I can just customize and send out the door. I highly recommend the class to any artists who would like to learn more about how to market and sell their art.